Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change aspect ratio for image in Photoshop. So open your image, then click on image, and here guys you have to click on pixel aspect ratio. There are some options like custom pixel aspect ratio, and also guys you can set this preset ratio like HDB or DBC like this. And also guys you can set your own desire, give any name, and here you can make it like 3.200, then click on OK. So this is the way you can change pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.